In this video, we're going to transform this sketch into a solid model. Before we get started, right now, observe that we have a single surface. I actually want to separate that into two separate surfaces. So I'll zoom in here and draw a line horizontally across here, and then use trim and trim off the excess. Click Done. That separates these into two separate surfaces. So we'll deal with the backrest later, and right now we'll deal with this surface. I'll double tap on the cube to go into the original orientation so that the grid is on the ground, and then drag this surface forward to generate a three-dimensional solid. I'd like it to have a 4 centimeter thickness. Then I'll zoom in here in this front area. When you tap on a solid, you're either going to select a surface or an edge. If you double tap on a surface, you'll select the entire object. In this case, what I want to do is select a chain of edges, namely this edge, this curve, and this edge here. Then I'm going to drag the pencil along the edge, and I'm creating a fillet there. Notice the yellow symbol here. That's the direction that you're supposed to drag in. So if I drag this way, I'm making a chamfer or beveled edge. If I drag the other way, it changes into a curved transition or fillet. I'll set that at 1 centimeter. And then orbit around and select these 3 edges. Again, drag over the surface to create a 1 centimeter fillet. Orbit around and continue in this way, selecting these edges. In this case, I selected 6 edges. Then I'll add a 1 centimeter fillet. We have to do the same thing over here. Select all 6 edges. If you make a mistake, just click on that surface again to deselect it. You want to build up a selection of 6 edges, and you can see at the bottom of the screen it says 6 edges selected. Now I'll drag along the edge until I have a 1 centimeter fillet. Again, back here, we have to do the same procedure. So we're making a precise selection with the pencil, and then we're dragging along one of the edges to add the fillet. When you're done, the structure should look like this.